Snoring is a sign of a breathing problem. And where people get caught out, and it's the other thing I'd like to sort of teach people and highlight to people, is that all noisy breathing is obstructed, but not all obstructed breathing is noisy. Because if you are so blocked, you are not shifting air to make noise. And again, I come to the strangulation thing again for a moment. So if I get you in a sort of a chokehold and I'm choking you, if I choke you a little bit, you can yell and scream. I choke you a lot, you're not even breathing, there's no noise. So you don't have to be noisy for there to be obstruction. So that's where people get caught out as well. So just be mindful of that being the case.